Welcome everybody. These are scales for 6 to 9 years old for the AMTA auditions. This is the second video, so if you haven't watched the first one, watch the first one and try to do the C and G major scale a couple of times. Today we're going to talk about the F major scale, which is a little bit different because it has a B flat on number 4. So we're going to go up 4 fingers and then 4 more. So it's a 4 plus 4 scale on the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you curve your forefinger, you could make a little mouse hole, and then your thumb, when you're ready to go, your thumb can go through the mouse hole. 1, 2, 3, mouse hole, thumb, and back down. We don't use a pinky. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back down. Left hand is normal. It's 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 over. Same thing going down. You can make a mouse hole on number 3. 1, 2, 3, mouse hole. Another thing to remember about F, and you don't need to play them hands together, is both thumbs play C. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumbs on C, make your mouse hole. Going down, thumbs on C, yay, make 4 finger on B flat. That's a rule. Okay. Now our 1 chord in the key of F is 1, F, A, C. That should be a no-brainer, right? The 4 chord, B flat, D, and F. It's a little awkward. Try not to twist your arm. Go up to the keys. B flat, D, F. That's the 4 chord. Go up 1 more note, you get the 5 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. Yay. C major is easy. C, E, G. Alright. So on the right hand, here's a 1 chord. 4 chord, B flat. 5 chord, C. Okay. Cadence. We have the 1 chord, the 4 chord goes up, and we got to remember there's a B flat. Thumb goes up, and don't forget the B flat. 4 chord, 1, 5, 7, the pinky goes down, and don't forget the B flat. And on the right hand, actually the 3 finger could go up to the B flat. 4, the 3 and the 5 go up. Back to 1, 5, 7. The thumb goes down and there. Alright? So try your cadence and your chords. And then the easy arpeggio. All these white key arpeggios are pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then your intervals. If you start on F, you have to remember we have a B flat on the 4th. So the first, the unison intervals, F. The second, F, G. Third, F, A. 4th, F, B flat. 5th, F, C. 6th, F, D. 7th, F, E. And 8, F, F. Good. That's your F major scale and chords. Next up is D major. D major has 2 sharps in it. We already had F sharp. Now we're going to add the D sharp. And that's number 3 in the scale. Then you make your mouse hole, thumb. And C sharp is number 7. Okay, so we have F sharp on number 3 and C sharp. And these sharps are like this, so we have a half step between 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. All right, and it's a 3 plus 5 scale. 1, 2, rabbit. Left hand, same thing. 3 over. Make your mouse hole on 3, thumb under. So and now the chords. The 1 chord is D. Go up 4 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. That's an easy one. We've done G before. G, B, D. You should know the notes. And then the 5 chord is a little different. A, C sharp, E. It's because the C sharp is in the scale. So again, the chords are D, F sharp, A. That's your 1 chord. The 4 chord is G, B, D. And the 5 chord is A, C sharp, E. Okay. And the cadence is pretty easy. Here's your 1, up to 4, 1, 5, 7, that half step. So we go from D to C sharp, half step down. Yeah. And that uses the sharps in the scale. We have F sharp here and C sharp there. And right hand. And the arpeggio, remember the sharps in the middle, D major. And the intervals, the only one you really have to remember is the 3rd has the F sharp on it. Well, and the 7th has the sharp. So again, it all, once you know it, it applies to everything. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, D, C sharp, and an octave. Good. And onward we go. A major is very similar to D major. We have one more sharp. We're adding the G sharp. So remember, A major has 3 sharps in it, and we're still at number 7. That's our new sharp. G sharp is number 7, and we still have the old sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So here we go, starting on A. 1, 2, C sharp, thumb under, 4, 5, F sharp and G sharp together, and then a half step up to A. And back down, 3 over. And it's kind of nice. Remember, 6 and 7 are both sharps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And with the left hand, it's going to go all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 over to the sharp. 6, 7. Now, really, from now on, the 3 finger, when you go over, you're going to go over to a sharp. So that's your A major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Now, you remember how I said that they're so related, the D and the A? Notice on the chords, your 1 chord was D, and your 5 chord was A. Now your 1 chord is A, and your 4 chord is D. So they're the same chords. We have D. The A major, the 1 chord is A major, A, C sharp, E. Go up 4 notes. 4 chord is D, F sharp, A. And the 5 chord, you go up 1 more note, and guess what? There's a sharp in the middle too. G sharp. So in the key of A, your 1, 4, and 5 chords all have a sharp in the middle. 1 chord. 4 chord, D, F sharp, A, and 5 chord, E, G sharp, B. Okay? And also in the cadence, you have a sharp in every chord. Here's your 1. The thumb goes up to a sharp here. It's kind of weird. That's your 4 chord, D and F sharp. And the 5, 7 is easy. It goes down a half step to a G sharp. That's your A major scale. And then you can just do the arpeggio. Again, as far as the intervals go, you have to remember the scale. Here's a 1st, 2nd, A, B, 3rd, A, C sharp, 4th, A, D, 5th, A, E, this way, 6th, A, F sharp. I'm just going up the scale. 7th, A, G sharp, and octaves, 8s. There you go. That'll wrap us up for day 2.